Getting young people back on track is the mission of Maricopa County's SOAR Center, and after its first year, it's, well, soaring. Annalisa Pardo has more.
Games, beds, and no lock and key. It's not what may come to mind when thinking of a detention facility.
We don't have any cells. The kids are not locked in the rooms. The rooms just essentially have a curtain on them, and they have a bed where they can lay down. They're free to move about the cabin, if you will.
This is the SOAR Center at the Maricopa County Juvenile Detention Facility. SOAR standing for Support, Outreach, Assistance, and Restoration for Families.
It's immediate interaction. That is the specialness of this program.
When police arrest a juvenile for a misdemeanor or low-level crime that doesn't require continuous secure detention, that kid can be brought here to chat with probation and surveillance officers.
Domestic aggression, domestic violence, it's tricky. It's hard. It's different for every situation, every case. And so it's always nice to be able to give that juvenile an opportunity to kind of just data dump a little bit of that.
Before the SOAR Center, the youth were often released back home within hours.
There was a feeling of kids aren't being held accountable. Kids aren't, the justice system is doing a disservice to them.
SOAR intervenes. Youth come here to cool down and discuss what happened. They're also required to come up with a safety plan on how to de-escalate and better handle similar situations in the future.
How can I make better choices? How can I change my future? How can I change my life to not get myself arrested again?
In the year since opening, the center has intervened in hundreds of cases and kids' lives, hoping to continue the mission to help them and families in the Valley soar.
See, you have good in your life. Focus on that. You know, don't let this situation define you. Just move on from it and focus on the good things.
Annalisa Pardo.